welcome to DocArt. Hello guys, I'm DocArt, and now I will draw Spongebob Squarepants. Enjoy the draw!
Where's your best friend now, SpongeBob?
Well, according to this t-shirt, it says my best friend is right here.
How about now?
Right by my side. Wow, clothing that announces our feelings for each other.
I can't do it! SpongeBob! Come back!
Patrick, I'm not coming home.
I miss you! Sandy misses you! Even Squidward misses you!
I'm happy here. Guess we'll never have fun together again.
You said you found my dislodged cranial cap last time.
Yes?
Where exactly did you find it?
It was right here.
Impossible.
It's the best friend forever! Best friends forever! Ring!
Our friendship ring!
So did I. My best friend made it for me.
Shh, okay. You can be a spy. Just be quiet.
Your tears! They're melting the glue! Keep crying! I'll do the same and maybe I can slip out of this thing!
Boy!
Reporting for duty!
SpongeBob, snap out of it! It's me, your best friend, Patrick!
What's that? I can't hear you, what with all the lonely voices in my head.
Oh man, he's too far gone.
Not fit to live in society.
Is this all my fault? Me and my dumb ideas! I'm so sorry! I can't do it! SpongeBob, come back!
Patrick, I'm not coming home.
I miss you! Sandy misses you! Even Squidward misses you!
I'm happy here. You're good.
Thanks. Darn!
Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as
Pickle fish lips! Sea weevil! Yorkie smorgie!
At least I'm safe inside my mind.
At least I'm safe inside my mind.
Let's get him, Patrick.
I don't know, what do you want to do today?
I don't know. What do you want to do today?
I don't know what I want to do today.
I gotta get out of here!
Look, Patrick, Squidward's finally playing along.
Go away! Can't you idiots take a hint?
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification. See ya!